All right, we're starting off with 62 ounces of sauerkraut in our crock pot. We're just gonna go ahead and smooth that out so that it is a flat layer in our crock pot here. Now I'm coming in with my brats, and these are the beer bratwurst, and we are going to add a couple of these right into our sauerkraut. We're kind of just lining them up into our crock pot. This is a super easy and delicious German specialty. I absolutely love this dinner. It goes perfectly with any other side dish. And we're gonna go ahead and add 2 whole packages because we are feeding an army today, as you guys like to say. And we're gonna go ahead and make sure we get all of those brats in there. You can use the regular bratwurst if you don't want to use the beer one, but I love the beer ones. Now I'm coming in with my Dijon mustard, and we're gonna go ahead and get this all onto our sausages. Ooh, I love sauerkraut, I love bratwurst, and I love mustard. And when these start to get cooking, they're just gonna embrace all of these flavors we're adding, but we need to make sure to add a good amount of mustard because those are a lot of sausages, and we don't want any sausage without that delicious Dijon flavor. I'm gonna just really get it going. That's good enough. And once we have our mustard in there, we're gonna come in with our freshly cut red onion, and we're gonna sprinkle that right on here. I asked my husband to cut my onion, and this is what he gave me, but we're not complaining because I didn't have to do it, so that's all that matters.
I was crying too much.
And that was 1 medium onion that we cut up. All right, and call me crazy, but I love to add bacon with my bratwurst, and we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle this whole bag of bacon bits in there. You can use freshly cut bacon, you can use whatever you like, but I love the bacon bits. Now, last but certainly not least, we have our cheddar jack cheese, and you guys know I can't do a dinner without cheese, so this was a necessity, and we're just gonna go ahead and add that whole bag of cheddar jack cheese, which is about 2 cups, and we're gonna go ahead and just kind of get that right on top, encase all of those flavors with that cheese. Yummy. All right, now this is ready to get cooking. I am so excited. This is gonna be our lunch today, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on high so that it's gonna be ready in time. All right, our crockpot lunch is almost ready, but we're missing one thing, and that is some buns. And I have the sausage roll buns. These are the best for these, and we're gonna go ahead and take them out. And don't worry, I do have 2 packages of these buns so that each bratwurst has a roll. All right, we're gonna pull these out, and I like to get them a little crispy so they can hold on to our bratwurst a lot better. But we're gonna just quickly open these up, just like so, super fast. And we're not just gonna butter these, we are going to garlic butter these. So we're gonna add a little bit of minced garlic into our 1 stick of melted butter. I definitely melted way too much butter for this, but we're gonna mix this up, and we are going to brush the inside of our sausage rolls with our delicious garlic butter. Oh my goodness. The garlicky, buttery toastiness is gonna complement those bratwursts so beautifully. And this is just such a simple way to elevate your sausage rolls so that they're not just soggy, plain old sausage rolls. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure that these get nice and buttered before we pop them in the oven. All right, now these are ready for the oven. My oven is set to 375, and it's gonna be in there for 5 to 10 minutes. All right, it's been 3 hours on high. It is time for our lunch. Oh my goodness. That smells absolutely insane. Oh, I am so excited. All right, we have our perfectly toasted garlic sausage rolls. It is time to fill them up. Oh my gosh, I got 2. Oh,
Perfectly cooked.
They look absolutely amazing. If you want more color on yours, you can sear yours, but you guys know I ain't browning nothing before I put it in the crock pot. Oh, looks so good. I think that double one is for you.
All right, nice.
Looks so good. All right, time to give it a try.
That's perfectly cooked.
These are so good. You have to try them.